Hello and welcome to another update video about PEPE. PEPE indeed could have formed the top here in this target region. The third wave did what it needed to do. Talked about that in the last video. And I already added the support levels to the chart in the last video. And the price has not formed a higher high. And therefore the already previously communicated support levels remain very much relevant. And the price currently shows a pullback into this support region. And we have 4 levels to watch, and I will tell you a little bit about them. The idea is though that as soon as this wave 4 is completed, the wave 5 should send the price higher to possibly, I could see possibly, depending on where the wave 4 bottoms, right? Here the higher range of this sort of dashed target range to be reached, right? So maybe 188.358, 205.987. Maybe if it stretches high to 248.076. So what happens then? Probably as soon as this top is in, well, it could be a C wave top, which means a very substantial top, or if a third wave tops, because these are the 2 wave counts we're tracking. I talked about the longer time frame in the previous videos, but if this is really a third wave top, we should get another wave 4, which could, however, take a long time. And then we could see a 5th wave. So I will continue to watch for higher prices as long as the wave 4 support area, which I haven't defined yet because it's not possible at this stage, but as long as that holds, I can only define it once we have topped there in wave 3. But yeah, as long as it holds, the focus could be technically on overall higher prices. That's the idea. And in the very short term now, idea was that within this wave 3 or C, a 4th wave bottomed on the 13th, 14th of April, and that from here we would see further upside. And the orange count is the scenario, the roadmap that I'm following primarily. In this scenario, we are dealing with a large ABC structure in wave 5. And the idea is that within the C wave, that's the wave we are working on at the moment, we are currently watching for a 4th wave pullback. So it's a wave 4 pullback at the moment. The typically ideal target, or let's say ideal support level for a 4th wave, is the 38.2 retracement, which is here. Now at the moment at 127.386. Obviously you have these 4 zeros in front of it. That's ideal. The 50% FIB level would be acceptable as well at 115.635. Below that level, it would be very deep for a 4th wave. It's valid, but it's very deep. Below 104.969, I would be looking for, let's say, more bearish interpretations. Currently, the 23.6 FIB level that we've touched at 143.589 is typically okay for a 4th wave, but very shallow. So normally what we see is that an A wave of the wave 4 finishes in the price region around the 23.6 FIB level. So that's what I'm assuming, that somewhere in this region, I don't have a clear reversal signal yet, but there's a bit of a reversal candle there, a small one, but that's not, but yeah, okay, maybe, maybe it's starting the B wave now, but it's very early days. But that would be ideal, right? That we touch the 23.6 FIB level. Again, you can see how well these levels are respected. Yeah, the price is respecting this FIB level very well, the 23.6 FIB level. It's just not really deep enough for a 4th wave, but I consider this to be the A wave low. It's we need a bit of upside momentum to confirm that further. But if that is an A wave low, then we would like to see the B wave not exceed, ideally, not exceed the 78.6 retracement. This is the resistance area. This is standard resistance for such a B wave. Sometimes they overshoot, so a break above resistance in a B wave is not invalidation, but it means that something different might be going on. But yeah, it's between 153.916 and 165.875 for a B wave, and then we could get a C wave down. Once we have the B wave top in place, we can calculate a target for wave C. Also pay attention to the ascending trend line. I think it all might point towards the 38.2 FIB retracement. So for now, I think a pullback has started, and I'm looking for a larger 3-wave move with critical support at 104.969. That's my update about PEPE. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.